Have you ever noticed something interesting about eggs? Some people start eating eggs for breakfast, and suddenly, losing weight feels easier. But other people eat eggs every morning, and nothing changes. So what's really going on? Are eggs helping with weight loss, or is something else happening? The truth is, eggs are not the problem. In fact, eggs can be one of the most powerful foods for controlling hunger. The real issue is that many people are eating eggs the wrong way, especially at breakfast. And one small mistake in the morning can quietly make fat loss much harder for the rest of the day. So in this video, we'll talk about why eggs can support weight loss, the common breakfast mistake people make, and a simple way to build a better egg breakfast. Let's start with something important. Many people believe that if they eat healthy foods, they will automatically lose weight. But the body doesn't work that way. Your body responds to signals, and one of the biggest signals that affects fat burning is insulin. In simple terms, insulin is a hormone that helps control how your body stores or uses energy. When insulin levels rise quickly, the body is more likely to store energy. When insulin stays stable, the body can use energy more efficiently. This is one reason eggs are often recommended for breakfast. Eggs contain protein and healthy fats, which usually don't cause big blood sugar spikes. And that leads to another big benefit. Eggs are very satisfying foods. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is constant hunger. When people feel hungry all day, it becomes very difficult to avoid snacks and cravings. Eggs help because they contain complete protein, which helps the body feel full for longer. Many people notice that when they switch from sugary breakfast foods like cereal to eggs, they stay satisfied for several hours instead of just one. But here's where things often go wrong. Many people eat eggs, but they also eat them with foods that cancel out the benefits. For example, toast with jam, fruit juice, sugary coffee drinks, pancakes, or sweet cereal. These foods contain a lot of refined carbs and sugar, which can quickly raise blood sugar levels. When that happens, energy rises quickly and then drops again later. That drop often leads to mid-morning hunger and cravings. So someone might think, I'm eating eggs, why isn't this working? But the real issue isn't the eggs, it's what's eaten with them. So what does a better egg breakfast look like? A simple formula has 3 parts. First, the protein base. For most adults, about 2 to 3 eggs is a good starting point. Second, add fiber. Fiber helps digestion and supports more stable energy levels. Vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, or peppers work very well with eggs. Third, limit sugary drinks and refined carbs in the morning. Instead of juice or sweet drinks, options like water, tea, or unsweetened coffee are usually better. Another mistake some people make is adding too much fat. Large amounts of butter, cheese, or heavy cream can turn breakfast into a very high-calorie meal. Healthy fats are fine, but moderation matters. A small amount of olive oil or a few slices of avocado is usually enough. Here's a simple way to know if your breakfast is working. If you feel hungry again within an hour, your meal probably wasn't balanced. A good breakfast should keep you satisfied for several hours without making you feel heavy or tired. And here's the most important idea to remember. Eggs themselves usually don't cause weight gain, but sugary or refined foods eaten with eggs can make weight control much harder. Eggs with vegetables can be a balanced and satisfying breakfast, but eggs with juice, jam, and sweet drinks can create the opposite effect. Sometimes small changes at breakfast can make the biggest difference for the rest of the day. So now I'm curious, what do you usually eat with your eggs in the morning? Let me know in the comments.